Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Patty Stash coming at you. It is a spectacular day today. Bitcoin is green, Ethereum is green, the sun is out, and Eagle AI pulled off something mighty impressive, I must say. You're probably hearing that word Eagle AI a lot lately, and it's for good reason. I've actually been saying Eagle AI for months and months now. And I'm going to continue to say Eagle AI for the next couple months. And the reason I'm saying this is because they're doing some stuff that's starting to work, and it's working well. And when you got a cryptocurrency that's doing stuff and it's working well and the price is going higher, it usually starts to attract more and more people. People start to kind of do their due diligence. They start investigating what it is that's actually going on and why good stuff is happening. So, long story short, I've mentioned it many times. Eagle AI paired up with a hedge fund. The hedge fund is run by a guy named Brad McGill. Brad McGill has a stellar reputation in the private equity business. He graduated college from Lehigh. He worked for, Morgan Stanley, Smith Barney, a few of the bigger brokers, and then he started getting into, private equity. He ran hedge funds. He's raised hundreds of millions of dollars. The reason I'm kind of talking a bit about this guy, Bradley McGill, is because he's got an important job. Like, he's the guy that oversees trading for the hedge fund. So now, up until this point, they were trading with proprietary funds. Now they're going to be using their own funds. So things are about to scale up. And it's like, it may sound like you don't know anything about what I'm talking about, and that's okay. But what I'm basically saying is Eagle AI has become its own crypto hedge fund. I know there's a hedge fund that's actually been set up and it's registered and all that whatnot, but the token itself is kind of like it's its own hedge fund. And the reason I say that is because, what is a hedge fund? It's essentially, people put an investment in, and there's profits that are made that get distributed through the investors. So we are essentially investors that are buying into a cryptocurrency that has its own hedge fund essentially attached to it, so that users using Eagle AI, us staking our tokens, leads to, so you're putting your tokens up to show that you're staking. And when you're staking, you can't do anything with your tokens for 30 days. The epoch lasts 30 days. During that time, the hedge fund is trading using proprietary funds, their own funds, and there's going to be other revenue streams as well. So essentially, this hedge fund is trading using the Eagle AI software, or the Eagle AI agent bots that have been, programmed, that it's working so that the hedge fund is turning a profit. And now, because the hedge fund turned a profit, it gets distributed to the people holding the token. So it's a partnership or a symbiotic relationship between a cryptocurrency and a hedge fund. And so now, because it's been successful, this past month, the payout was about 9.3%. So if you put $1,000 in, you're going to get back about $93, which, hey, it's not bad. If you put $10,000, you're getting $930. Not bad. So the point is, it worked the first month. And the whole point of kind of what I'm trying to say about this video is the fact that the rewards were distributed today. There were almost $700,000 in total rewards that have been distributed to the entire community that staked their tokens. About 650 was an Eagle AI token and 50 was in USDC. And so, as I already said earlier, you would think that if $650,000 worth of tokens would be essentially released into the project, that there would be a major sell-off. But there wasn't, and there hasn't been. It is down a little bit now, but you kind of have to expect that. But now what's going to happen, in my opinion, is that people are going to start witnessing what actually just went down. Yes, we're experiencing a little bit of, dilution, so to speak, but that, in my opinion, will get gobbled up by new people coming in that see opportunity. So again, it's just like supply and demand. There's some supply that's coming in and the demand has increased. So because of the demand increasing, the dump that I kind of was expecting didn't happen. And it was able to remain afloat because of the new money coming in that want to stake their tokens for the next epoch, which began today. So anyway, things with Eagle AI are starting to play out perfectly. It's like, this is something that I didn't know was going to happen 6 months ago. Like, there's always like this strategy or a roadmap of what it is that you're trying to create. And, you check things off along the way, but it's like, there's always new things, new opportunities that present themselves. And it's like, I'm just curious to see where it can go from here. So it's been awesome so far. The team's been kicking ass. They keep going to all these different events. They're meeting people. They're doing everything you want to see from a cryptocurrency. So we'll see how things continue to play out. I'm happy with the results so far. Like I say, the pink sale of this project was like a penny, under a penny maybe. And now it's trading at like 35, 40 cents. It once hit 65. I do think it's going to break 65 cents again before next month. And the number one reason I'm saying this is because next month they're saying the rewards that are going to be paid out are going to be in USDC. So that would mean if this month is any litmus test of what next month will be, and $700,000 in USDC gets distributed to the community, I would imagine a shitload of those people from the community are going to take that USDC and buy more Eagle AI at the end of the epoch, which is going to be the end of this coming May. So, what do you think's going to happen before the epoch ends? I have a feeling that people are going to be furiously buying the Eagle AI token ahead of the rewards getting distributed, because once the rewards get distributed, there's $700,000 in cold hard cash that's just waiting to gobble up more of the Eagle AI supply, removing it from the tradable float, so to speak. Less supply, more demand, higher prices. This is like, I could see this token, I swear to God, hitting like $25. Yeah, it's only 50 cents, 40 cents now. $25 is like 50x, 60x. Peanuts in crypto. Let's go, Eagle AI.